Hello everyone, it's Finance Eddie, and Bitcoin has just hit a new all-time high, so of course I'm going to come to you guys with a new video even during the weekend. Today we're going to talk about what's happening in the Cardano, Ethereum, and the Bitcoin charts all at the same time. Bitcoin and Ethereum both have a very similar pattern, and on Cardano, it took me a long time, but I think I found a new pattern. So, because last time I see that most people who click these videos are interested in Cardano, let's start with Cardano, but please stay until the end to see what's happening in the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts right now, because the patterns I was talking about in the previous video are currently playing out. Minor adjustment had to be made on the Bitcoin one. You guys are going to see. If you want to go specifically, please scroll ahead in the video to the one that you're interested in. Straight into it, because your time is valuable and my time is valuable. We're going into Cardano right here, and I'm on the 2-hourly candles chart here, and I had to zoom out like crazy. I was trying to make triangles, nothing was really working, short-term head and shoulders patterns, nothing was really working, but in the end, I found this head and shoulders pattern, which appears to now be breaking out towards the upside. But guys, what's missing over here? Well, down here we have the volume, and as we can see, this is what high volume looks like. Here, right up here, this looks like high volume. What do we not see here? Well, there's absolutely no significant volume coming in to confirm this breakout. So what I think is going to happen is this breakout is going to come back down, retest this purple resistance line, which let's hope it bounces back off of. And at the moment that it bounces back off of, if we see volume coming in, well, that's a bullish sign that we're about to hit this head and shoulders pattern target. And guys, this head and shoulders pattern is actually quite significant because this pattern starts all the way in the 19th of February. That means that it's almost a 1-month pattern. That's also why you see here there's a huge dip, which I ignored, because if you go out and you zoom out this much to try to make a pattern, well, most likely you're gonna have to make some kind of compromises. Just because the markets here, we're trading so much based on fundamentals that I think it's okay to ignore this. If there had been no huge fundamental volatile swings here, then I would absolutely not allow myself to ignore this big outlier. But guys, because a whole new update, huge update for Cardano came up, which led us all the way up here, I think it's okay to ignore this. So the moment of truth, guys, what is the price target for this if this keeps breaking out? Well, I'm going to tell you that right now. Let's take the price from the head of the pattern all the way down to the bottom of the pattern, and let's put it right here where the breakout is currently happening. Well, according to this, it's going to take us all the way to the 1.587 US dollars per Cardano, which would be absolutely insane, and that would make me very, very happy. And look at this. If you look at the breakout, well, it's coming back down now. Let's hope, actually, whoa, this is crazy. We're actually going back down and we're trying to retest this resistance point, guys. So this is definitely something to watch in the next coming hours because let me show you this. The second we come back down from here and we bounce, well, the moment that we go right above the previous top point, right, the previous test line, this is the moment that this pattern becomes validated, especially if we have volume coming in. And look, guys, if you zoom in, actually, you see that from the time of this right shoulder forming, the volume is slowly trending upwards, right? Here we were averaging down here, and as we go more and more, we're slowly averaging higher and higher with the volume. So guys, this is looking good. This pattern might actually play out, and our price target of 1.58 approximately might be happening in the very short term. Let's move straight into Bitcoin. 2 days ago, I was telling you guys already about this cup and handle pattern, and the only difference we had between now and then is that the handle has moved upwards, which has actually increased our price target because the distance from the top of the cup to the bottom of the cup has increased. Before, this right here was the handle, and now we have a new handle over here, which is stronger. And as we can see, the chart is validating this by showing us a huge candle up right on the breakout. So guys, let me show you what actually the price target is for this cup and handle pattern. As always, we take it from the top of the pattern to the very bottom of the pattern. And for the cup and handle, you should put it here where the candle meets the cup. And if we go out, well, we see here that this is going to go all the way up to approximately $73,300. And guys, check this out. This is an almost perfect confluence with, you guys already know what I'm bringing out, don't you? With the Fibonacci retracement levels from the swing high to the swing low, we see here almost exact confluence. Guys, it's almost to the exact dollar. You cannot even make this up. Seriously, look at this. Almost to the exact dollar. We have confluence here at, again, 73,300 mark. Guys, this is an extreme amount of confluence that we're getting now. So I do believe this pattern is now confirmed and we are going to break out to the upside. And in the short term, we will be hitting these levels. Now, while on the Bitcoin chart, this cup and handle has already formed. We have volume confirmed breakout. It's a strong breakout as well. On the Ethereum chart, which I need to remove this window, but on the Ethereum chart, it's a little bit different. You see, the cup is a little bit slanted here, which is also perfectly fine. Yesterday, we actually had an extension of the cup and handle forming, right? We expected a breakout to happen approximately here, but we went back down, tested the bottom of the handle, and look at this, guys. Well, now we are finally starting to break out of the Ethereum cup and handle pattern. And is this volume supported? Well, if we look down here, we see, for example, high volume sticks like this, and I would like to see another one like this starting to happen around here. And when do I expect that we will see that? Well, we should be seeing that sometime with this coming back down, retesting against the top of the handle, and going back up, closing a candle above the previous rejection point. And at this point, I would say the pattern is confirmed as long as we have a pretty high volume candle confirming it. Something like between this candle and this candle. So somewhere around here, we should be seeing that happening. And if that happens, I would say that this for Ethereum is confirmed. And let's see just how much of a price move that would be. Well, last time it was approximately bringing us all the way to the $2,500 mark. And as always, still, the pattern has remained pretty much the same for Ethereum. We are seeing this taking us all the way up to the $2,540 mark, right? You see here, it's taking the top of the stick. The number I gave like 2 days ago was 2520. Just chalk that up to slight inconsistencies in drawing the pattern. $20 is tiny. So, guys, please subscribe so you are getting these updates in the moment they're happening so that you guys are able to get in on these trades with me on the moment that they're actually happening. I just opened a new trade for the first time in over a month on this pattern, cup and handle on the Bitcoin chart, breaking out, and I'm already approximately 30% in profits on that trade. So if you want to join me in those kinds of breakout moments, you need to subscribe, you need to hit the notification bell. And if you think this was valuable content, guys, come on. Right now, we're talking about still a price move if you were to enter this trade right now. It's not financial advice. Please make your own decisions, but I'm just telling you what I've done right now. I've entered this trade and there is still 23% upside. Guys, even at a 5 times leverage, you are going to double your money. How often does a chance like this come along? Well, it happened right before the SpaceX Elon Musk pump sometime around here, and it's happening again right now. This is the second cup and handle pattern. The previous one worked out brilliantly for us, and I'm hoping that this one is going to work out well for me as well. Guys, please do your own research, learn about these patterns, but follow me to make sure that you guys are getting updates in the moment that they're happening, because I'm doing my absolute best to come to you guys every single time there's something important happening in these charts. I've told you exactly what to expect for Cardano, exactly what to expect for Bitcoin, and exactly what to expect for Ethereum. Bitcoin is currently breaking out and has confirmed this pattern. Ethereum, we're still waiting for the confirmation of this pattern, but it's looking bullish right now. And on the Cardano chart, we currently have this volume supported breakout happening, But we are waiting for a confirmation, a bounce from this resistance line and a close above the previous resistance point to confirm that this pattern is currently breaking out. And this pattern as well from the breakout point, once again, is an explosive 33% move. Guys, at even a 5-time leverage, and usually people who are trading these patterns are going even higher, like 10 to 15, even 25% leverage, which for me is way too high. I do not leverage that high. But even at a 5 times leverage, guys, this is 150% your money. You are more than doubling your money if you get in on this trade at a 5x leverage. If you take no leverage at all, you're still in for 34% increase. That's insane, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel that you got smarter with me today, then please smash up that like button so YouTube knows that this is valuable content that needs to be pushed to the relevant people. And bye-bye. Thank you, guys.